Empire State of Morocco, United States for America, Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Societas Republici Al-Mauricianos, Moorish Divine and National Movement of the Earth. Northwest Maxime, Northwest Africa, North America, the North Gate, all adjoining islands, Turtle Island, Temple of the Moon and Sun, the true and de jure natural peoples, heirs of the land. Always and stand and remain standing into perpetuity. This is a sovereignty livingency and Article 3 Moorish. American Al-Moroccan Court Action. We are the sovereignty living justes in capitis diminutio nolo, in red ink, in propria persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes. All Moors are the original indigenous sovereign ancient Al-Moroccan Moorish American ascendants of the great Pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites, Canaanites, and Shemites. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our credit and our energy are hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people who are the original indigenous natural divine and empire state of Morocco and the de jure Moorish National Republic Federal Government, the Universal Moorish American Consulate and the Article 3 Moorish American Consular Court. We are peace. We are one nation, one state, one empire and one God. We hereby exercise all sovereignty rights at this time and at all points in time nunc pro tunc. Public notice to all, filed in the records of Moorish American Consular Court Maryland Superior Court in Maryland Territory dated 2024 September 11/1446 Moorish calendar year affirmed on Gregorian year 2023 Moorish American Consular Court Maryland Territory Court Clerk by Byron Zahar Bey, Chief Clerk. Record number MAC 0000000120. Filed. 009 Transfers for Minors Law Fiduciary Duties Empire State of Morocco Byron Calvin Rogers 13 of 42. Ancient AL Moroccan Moorish Empire Foundation Document Maryland Territory sent by all Moors for all Moors and our Empire State of Morocco Foundational Documents. Universal Sovereign Original Indigenous Natural Divine Affidavit. Universal Transfers for Minors Law. Irrevocable transfers of all property for all minors to the sovereignty living in and Empire State of Morocco is hereby the law and proclaimed by the Empire State of Morocco Fiduciaries Nunc Pro Tunc in alignment with universal, divine, natural, and state law and for the benefit of the minor beneficiaries and in the best interest of the minors until such time as said minors have reached the age of majority. This sovereignty universal transfer is activated since time immemorially into perpetuity nunc pro tunc without limitation on the value, amount, quantity, size or composition of the transfer. This sovereignty living affidavit is the eternal written receipt and affirmation of delivery of said transfers. Said transfers are not taxed. Proper state identification is command. Constitution for the United States MCLS Amendment v. No person shall be held to answer for a capital, or otherwise infamous crime, unless on a presentment or indictment of a grande jury. Except in causes arising in the land or naval forces, or in the militia. When in active service in time of war or public danger nor shall any person be subject for the same offence to beach wise put in jeopardy of life or limb nor shall be compelled in any criminal cause to be a witness against saint himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property, without due process of law nor shall private property be taken for public use, without just compensation. Constitution for the United States MCLS Article 4 Section 1. Full faith and credit shall be given in each state to the public ACCTS, records, and judicial prostings of every other state. And the Congress may by general laws prescribe the manner in which such ACCTS, records and prostings shall be proved, and the effect thereof. Universal Commercial Code 1 Article 9 Secured Transactiones right of possessione. All sovereignty rights are exercised at this time and at all points in time to include the right of possessione for all property thereby lawfully and peacefully rendering unto Caesar that which is Caesar's. This sovereignty justes stands as law. All sovereign original indigenous and divine Moorish American autographs affirming this and all sovereignty original indigenous ancient empire state of Morocco and the de jure Moorish National Republic Federal Government documents are on the public record at America, ancient Morocco, Northwest Maxime, Northwest Africa, the North Gate, Turtle Island, Gaia. Midgardi, earth. Chronos time immemorial into perpetuity. Ego sum. Byron Calvin Rogers Justice Vizier Mini Star. In capitis diminutio nolo, in red ink, in propria persona sui juris in proprio solo in proprio heredes. No ties to agent is no ties to principle. No ties to principle is no ties to agent. And notice to all. Empire State of Morocco. Moorish National Republic Federal Government. Moorish American Consulate. Shalawam. Islam.